In this video, I will show how to use Execution Designer. Right-click the project, open Adaptive Execution Designer. I will start from creating StartupConfig. Right-click and add a AR package called Execution. Right-click in the table, change the name to StartupConfig PAA. Select Other for Scheduling Policy and enter 0 in priority. For next, I will add StartupOption. Set the name as Run. I will keep option argument blank since it's not necessary, and select short form for option kind. Next, I will create RAA start config. Same as PAA, select Other for Scheduling Policy, enter 0 in priority. I will add StartupOption for PAA as well. Change name to Run, enter test and option argument, select long form for option kind. Next part is creating process. Right-click and select Execution AR package. Change its name to My Process PAA. Select PAA in executable and enter random value. Right-click in the table, create a process, select Process State for type. And next, I will get to state-dependent StartupConfig. For StartupConfig, select PAA, then select the proper resource group. As we can see, config is automatically configured. For next, I will configure FunctionGroup state. Select Machine State in FunctionGroup. Set the process to be operated when machine state startup. Then I will configure RAA in the same way. The designing process is the same to that of PAA until config part, but we need to additionally configure execution dependency. I add condition that when PAA starts running, process state should be in running state. I will also configure FunctionGroup state. So I finished designing with Adaptive Execution Designer.